Hello, my name is Mike Seekers Jr. with STVA Scaffold and Shoring. Today we will be building a 15-foot nominal height, non-rolling, OSHA compliant, Safeway style scaffold tower. Okay, before we start building our 15-foot non-rolling tower, we must go through all the components to make sure they're all here. What you see before you is the equipment needed to build our PSV NRT 15-foot non-rolling tower. Before we do that, you need to make sure the tools required for the job are a hammer, crescent wrench, level, tape measure. The hammer will be used to nail the mud seals to the base plates, the level will be used to level the frames, and the crescent wrench will be used to secure the ladder brackets to the frames as needed. Let's go through the components needed to build this tower. As you can see, you have your mason frames, which are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Then you have your 7-foot guardrails, which will connect to the access panels at the top. Your 7x4 cross braces. Ladders required to be OSHA compliant. Ladder brackets. Then your access panels, which will go at the top. Then your aluminum ply decks, which is your platform that you'll be working on. Mud seals, which will connect or nail to the base plates. The coupling pins, which will connect the frame to frame, along with the toggle pins and spring clips that hold the coupling pins to the frames. Okay, our first step is we need to fasten our base plates to our mud seals, and we'll do that with some nails by nailing it together. You'll need the hammer for this application. Okay, as you can see now, I've connected our first set of frames to our cross braces via the drop lock. Take the coupling pin, and on the bottom side of the coupling pin, we insert a PSV 113 spring clip into the bottom of the coupling pin. Then we take the coupling pins, while compressing the spring clip in, insert it into the leg frame, this snaps out and locks in. And according to the level, it's within level and safe operating parameters. So now we will start to build our second section of frames to continue on building our tower. We would start transferring some of our deck boards up to the next level. Now at this point is when we will start installing our bolt-on ladders to make it an OSHA compliant tower. Above the bottom hump. Once again, when attaching a couple of jibs, you put your spring clip into the bottom section, compress the spring clips, that they will slide into the leg of the frame,